Welcome to part 37, Side Card CSS. So those four side cards have their CSS right here. This class maps to the entire card, while this is just the header or the top part of the card. So if we look back at the cards, the entire card is that first piece of CSS, and then the header is this right here. Okay, so for the entire card, we're going to separate them one from another. We're going to give a little bit more margin over here like this. On the bottom, we want this text to be centered. We're going to do that border radius. This makes it all nice and smooth around the outside. Now, for the header part, we're going to change the color, the text color, to our typical color for the dashboard, and then the background color the same as the tab. We're going to override what Bootstrap has, and then we'll make sure to round the radius as well over here. Okay, so that's the side card CSS.